harder ones to find.
Oh, you found it! Maddie, show me at the camera.
Look, Tori, keep looking around.
Are there any more?
Tori,
Is it all picked up?
Did we get a smile? Look at Daddy. Daddy wants you. Where, Daddy?
There's some over here.
Where's more? Good job.
Victoria.
Is there any more?
Victoria. Natalie.
No.
You guys
I did have
Victoria.
Yeah.
No, she does.
Come here.
I do have a
I'm not taking her if you guys don't like that.
Right, Tori, baby.
over here.
They're calling around.
Look in that area. Do you see it?
No.
Alice, do you
We
look
get
over
over there
here?
the next day and they're over there like
Look
this.
over here. Oh, you found it!
Yay, you found it.
Smile. Tori, smile.
Let me see you. Look at me and say cheese. Look at me and say cheese. Cheese, click.
She like now she poses. She's scared.
Maddie, look. Oh, you found it.
It's camouflaged.
Wow.
Is that it? Yeah, they're too big. Did you find them all? Did she find the one that was hidden? Where? Did she find that one over here?